Okay, here we go. We're going to make a paper popper. Here we go. Oops. I just hit that emergency button. I see, and now the emergency button has been pushed. Oh no. That's okay. I need to pause it right there. I just hit the emergency button on accident. Have to tell them I'm sorry for pressing the emergency buttons. So there's no emergency. I just hit that on purpose. So yeah. I accidentally hit the emergency button. Pause it. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. And watch this. Because let's do this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.